Good afternoon, guys. I just want to come to you today to talk a little bit about some of the like weed control program and kind of the pros and cons of doing being signed up for a program, whether it's with us or some of the other guys out there that offer that service. When you're on a program, you get that pretty much a little bit of a guarantee that we're going to take care of those issues with these weeds, because for most of you that may know or may not know, there's different germination cycles for weeds throughout the season. So you'll have pretty much your fall weeds, your winter weeds, your spring weeds, then your summer weeds. And so even though you may have somebody come out and they may spray something to take care of that particular weed that's in your yard, and let's just say the fall time of the year, doesn't mean that once we reach the winter time that there's a particular weed that may start germinating and actually be in your yard and be another nuisance to you. So when you sign up for a weed control program, what you're doing is you're allowing us to come out and actually build a program for your property and put the proper chemicals down at certain times of the year based on label rates to keep those weeds from germinating those times of the year. And so what that does is then that allows you not to have to worry about that henbit or those poana or dandelions or even those lawn burr weeds, which everybody really hates that time of the year in the spring when you have that really sticky grass weed out there. And as soon as you walk out barefoot, you get them all in your feet. And so that's some of the kind of the pros of having a weed control company and versus having somebody come out one time, is you just pretty much don't always address the weeds that you may have at a time. Some products are not designed to kill everything. So sometimes I may come out and I may spray something that's for Bahia grass, for example, but it may not necessarily treat this other weed such as Kalinga or sedge over here. So in order for us to be able to control the different types of weeds, we need to be able to come out more than one time a year to handle those different weed germination cycles. So if you have any trouble in your yard and this is something that you would like for us to help you with, or just like a little more information of what maybe we can do to maybe help you with a particular weed you're having trouble with, just give us a call at 478-988-0043, and we'll be glad to come out, take a look at it, and maybe give you some ideas, and if maybe we can get you help set up on our weed control programs.